In the matter of Kaushik Das versus State of West Bengal, Supreme Court held that in light of judgment of this court in case of Javeer Singh, also the order dated 10 December 2024 in case of Vishwanath, the impugned judgment and order of High Court is not sustainable and allowed the appeal with the following directions: that such of the teachers who were in employment as on 10th August 2017 and who completed 18 months DL-Ed ODL program through NIOS before 1st April 2019 shall be considered as valid diploma holders for purpose of applying in other institutions or for promotional avenues. Respondent authorities to consider the candidature of such of appellants who were in service as on 10th August 2017 and that who on verification were found to satisfy eligibility criteria shall be appointed within a period of 3 months from today. It can thus be seen that court observed that since time gap between directions issued by central government MHRD and 31st March 2019 was only 18 months, period of the course was reduced from 2 years to 18 months. It can further be seen that court recorded that around 12 lakh 91,880 in service elementary teachers had registered and made payment on the NIOS portal as on 30th September 2017. Not only that, but court also observed that NCTE recognition order dated 22nd September 2017 was only for the untrained in service teachers in government aided unaided private schools who were appointed on or before 10th August. Court observed that the entire scheme was for the purpose of providing a window to in service teachers, as unless they would have acquired requisite qualifications prior to 1st April 2019, they could not have continued to remain in service and would have faced dismissal. It can thus be seen that court specifically observed that NCTE recognition order dated 22nd September 2019 was issued to provide one-time window to the teachers who were already working as on 10th August 2017 and who were required to acquire minimum qualifications prior to 1st April 2019. However, court clarified that said recognition order did not act as a direction to state of Uttarakhand to act in contravention of its 2012 service rules and advertisement issued on basis of such service rules. In that light, court came to a finding that decision of Uttarakhand High Court to hold 18 months DL and ODL through NIOS as equivalent to the 2 years DL Ed Appendix 2 of 2014 NCTA regulations or 2 years DL Ed through ODL Appendix 9 of 2014 NCTA regulation was erroneous.